Thank you for joining us in our learning journey with Flame and Flutter. We currently have the pineapples that are sprite components. The pineapples have collision detection. Our objective is to put the collision detection on Charlie the chicken. Without collision detection, both the Charlie the chicken and the pineapple, Charlie will go right through the pineapples. Let's fix that today. Now before we set up the collision, let's put the mix in. I'm not 100% sure we'll need it right now, but we'll need it eventually. So this, there we go. Okay, so I'm in the main.dart here. If you recall, we've already added this has draggable, which we need because we have this virtual joystick. So we're going to use another mix-in for has collision detection. And with the has collision detection, our fruit can now detect a collision. It's not going to be able to collide immediately because the Charlie doesn't have collision associated with him yet, but we'll add that in very soon. So let's set up our override method again here. And this one is on collision. And it's not coming up because we need to add the collision. Well, I have it. It should work. Okay. Let's go. Maybe it'll just come up now. Enter section points. What does it say? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the actors and create an actor for Charlie. Should I call it Charlie or should I call it chicken? Sprite animation component. Okay, it's empty right now, but it did auto import this flame component. So okay. So our fruit's working. We need to hook up Charlie to be this I think he's a sprite animation component now. And he's called chicken. Go back down to where it's instantiated. So I want to move all of Charlie's code in here, but it's going to make this video a bit longer. So I think I'll start off by just adding the rectangle hitbox, right? So similar to the pineapple or the piece of fruit. Oh. Right. I have to put in the onload method. Future void onload sync super dot onload. And now we can add it, right? Rectangle. Oh, there, it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. Okay, it was auto imported. So this collisions package of Flame was now just auto imported. Debug mode equals true. Okay. Let's see what else we need to do here. Oh, it's working. Very good. Video. And I'll also will move the components, the code from Charlie here into the charlie.dart file in the next video. So we'll create a bit more of the isolation for Charlie so that our code will become easier to understand. Everything will just be associated with Charlie. This is great. Okay, so have a great day. If you subscribe to the video, you'll get or the channel, you'll get a notice of the next video. And if you like this type, just give this a like, and I use the feedback to see what to create next. Hope you have a fun, and most importantly, have a great day. Bye.